is my shoe? Where is my clothes? Baby, my salary, I want to marry.
We don't come again, oh my people, for the program where they call area Tori. How na day with the greet una with the greet well. This program they come to una from Procyon radio and television. And my name na Sarah Agbo. I get Gloria Enoch.
My people, I greet you now. Una good morning, una good afternoon, una good evening.
All right, the woman where they bring better advice for us for studio. I bet me una no go. Me una dey with us because this topic we want to talk. Now the topic we want to talk about anger. Wetin anger carry one woman go do? You understand? Make una just listen abeg. Anger, you no go to the day very angry or make you act the time when you dey angry. Gloria, this story where they tell you now, this woman sabi vex for area, no be small.
Okay.
She dey sell. So if anybody come, if you even you price something for her place. Person wey dey sell for market. If you price something, na so she go come use that talk wey you take talk tell her. You say, okay, if na your father come buy the thing for me, oh yeah, come buy am like that make I see. You understand? No, they know am with fight and quarrel for there. One day, na she go where she wan go buy market. As she go there, she come go the vex, the quarrel.
But she don't dey used to.
She don dey used to her quarrel and fights. Then she come go there. They say the man wey wan sell something for her, but she go buy go sell. You understand? So the man wey wan sell something for her come tell her say, madam, I no go fit sell am like this. And the people wey she come go the market together with come talk say talk. Since the man say no go fit sell like this, we will not get anything to do. We go buy our own like that. So she say lie, she no go gree. How the man go tell her say na like this? He go say, the people say things don't change. Oh, nothing wey you go do. She come vex. As this woman vex, come talk say okay, she no go gree. Oh, she come dey waka. Make I tell you wetin e be. I be no one mention am because if I mention am, the particular thing, people for area go know the person wey we dey talk about. You understand? So the woman come say she no go buy for this man place. She dey go another place, go buy her own. So other women don't buy their own for that market.
That same place.
For that same market, carry their thing. They come say they see her pass the other place. Say she want enter the other small village wey dey that side
to go buy her
own. So as she turn like that, and they can't get river wey dey there. You understand? As she turn like that, just they go. Before you know it, nobody know wetin happen. No, they wait for this woman till time pass. Evening don come. This woman suppose come back with her market. Come they sell by this time. The children come they complain. Come they look for those women where they go market together. Say where she dey? Now they say when we dey buy market, she vex. So una know as she dey vex. They don't even know say something happened to her. They say una know how she dey vex. Now so she vex. She no gree buy where we buy. She leave us. She waka go. She pass go one village. We sef with the thing say she don already buy come back. We no know say she never come back. Now they say okay, make them go back there go check. The people now can't go back there that night. They no see any sign of the woman. Then go the other markets because you know say some of them they know themselves small. Come they ask say abeg this woman come here. Somebody say I don't see her. I know the woman one at the top. We don't see her for this place. They say okay, no problem. Now so they leave. The second day they find this woman. The third day they find this woman. Now the fourth day they come go discover dead body for inside river. You know say you get river where she go take cross pass go that small village. You get one river where they there. And so they go see her dead body.
Annoyance.
Before they go see the dead body, all the women they talk say she sabi vex. You understand? Say she be we tell her make she buy something here. Now so she take vex. Come that one. Carry vex come go meet her there. Not knowing that time when she vex, where she want do corner enter, na so she go fall inside
the river.
Oh, As she fall for the river, that is the end.
Water carry her.
Water carry her.
Oh,
Gloria,
oh.
this story wey I dey tell you now, I wan link am up again with another story so that we go talk am at once. Another woman own be say she dey inside car with her husband. Una dey hear me? So then they quarrel inside the car. The woman say, drop me. I no dey go again. She come reach one place wey be say small bush dey. She dey shout say, if you no drop me, she hold the man cloth. The man say, I no go fit drop you for here. Make we dey go. I no go drop you for here. She say, if you no drop me, she hold the man. She say, he no go drive the motor. Na so the man park car. When the man park the car, na him she vex open door. The door wey she go open na snake na him she match.
Oh.
You see as the thing take call her. Anger carry her go meet death. Na so that one, before the man go comot her reach hospital from there, that one also die.
Oh.
Anger no good, because if you vex too much, come dey take action wey be say you no suppose take. Na we dey talk so.
Nothing.
You fit go find yourself inside another place.
Problem. Oh. See, my area people, I greet una once again. Though we don't come back again. This anger of a thing we don't talk am before. I remember say we talk am. Now we don't bring am back again because we see say it dey continue.
It dey continue.
Yes,
na thing wey we go dey talk every time.
Una no dey take advice.
Yes.
For everywhere, for every society, for every nation, for every state, for every home, then they always advise people. Even for church, then they advise people. Anger no good. You say you no go vex so. E get limit wey you go vex reach. But if you come vex so you no get control, you go do something wey be say people go hear say, na this one do this thing, na be this one. Wetin dey for market? Everybody go the same market, the same price na everybody. You your own come become different. You say, okay, I no dey buy for you, make I cross. And you know say na water you go cross go. You cross, you wan go buy your own for another place. You go, you fall inside water, water carry you. And nobody see you, nobody dey there to help you, nobody to rescue you. The water carry you, you die. After they, you know say if person fall inside water, they no go see am first day, second day. If you go reach third day or the fourth day, don't die you, die leave your children, die leave your husband because of anger. Like say you stay there buy as them buy. If you reach, you know how you go sell, comot your money. Because the price of things, where they fit buy fit be the same. But how to sell no go be the same. You fit add 5 naira, me I fit add 10 naira, the other one fit add 20 naira. But na the same thing. You for come take that, even another 10 naira you add, they alive sell them before better. You will enter motor with your husband again. Wetin bring the fight when you no go reach house? Wetin bring the quarrel when you no go say, hey, if we reach house we go talk. I no go gree for this matter until we reach house. You say your own na for road, you want do am, make it end for this road. You don't know say devil dey plan the own.
Devil dey plan it.
Death dey there dey wait for you.
So.
You enter, you drop, see snake, he bite you. You no reach house, you die for hospital. Anger na lead to that thing. If to say that 1 minute when you for say, okay, may we reach house
to settle the matter.
Make we talk this matter. Okay, I don't hear you. May we reach house. Like say you agree, may we reach house for there your mouth, una for end well. If I know that you, because if you reach house, you get how the thing. Maybe from there now your mind for down the come down small. That is why we always advise una for this our place. Say, if you dey vex,
no take
action because the action wey you go take when you dey vex, you no go end well.
Yes.
You no go end well now.
Patient, who yourself. Hold
yourself for everything wey you dey do. That is why they tell people. Say if you dey do too much, you dey vex, you know wah. If you don't see, it just some people say, leave am make he go kill himself. You don't say you get enemy. Enemy there around you. You sabi now. Enemy, you get the one who like you, get the one who hate you.
Yes.
Then they see you do, they say, we're gonna leave and make you go kill herself now. Then the one go say, I beg Muna Hola. The one who say, I beg Muna Hola, he like you. The one who say, I beg, leave and make you go kill herself.
And you know one funny thing, the moment person they talk, say, I make Muna Hola, no, I beg, no vex.
And that one, that time you go demonstrate.
I go do, I no go agree, I go do. You understand?
Yes, now.
You get many places where I see that kind of quarrel and fight will happen. The moment if it be say they don't start am small, you understand?
But
the moment when one person comes say, Abba, why una dey do like this? Make una stop am now. Na that time the body go come boil.
Because na devil dey do that kind of
yes.
thing.
You go dey push and say no gree. You go come stand up again.
Carry that big stick wey dey hit am. See stick for your front, carry am hit am. E go dey show you things wey you go use. E go dey show you iron, go show you knife.
Yes.
Go carry. No see iron. Carry iron, go hit am. And e dey lead you because you know say even once you hit, problem don come.
Na so.
If you no end the person for death, go end the person for hospital, you go spend money, dem go carry police arrest you because you don take law into your hand. For this our country wey we dey, they don dey tell us no take action for your hand. And if you leave vex, annoyance enter you so tey you go do the one wey pass you, you don enter another level of trouble now. Like you go face am, nobody go follow you. Money wey you for take buy food eat for your house, take am dey spend. To this one now na death. Death enter carry her and e go forever. Nobody don die come back
for
again.
the family.
Cause pain for your children,
your
husband, everybody dey around you go say, oh, this verse we don dey tell am o, like say e hear us o, e for no die. So na im we dey tell una say abeg, if you dey vex,
hold yourself.
Hold am. No take action. No hear what the thing go tell you say do this, no do. Hold yourself. Hold yourself by yourself because na only you know how the thing dey do you.
Na so.
Hold yourself by yourself. Cool down your temper so that you go live long.
Thank you very much.
Wetin I get to tell them be that too.
Thank you very much, Gloria, for this your wonderful advice wey you dey give us for area tori. Anytime wey you come, we dey always learn lesson.
Na so.
And God go dey help us, dey keep us dey go. And then if una dey lis ten to us for the very first time, abeg make una no forget, make una subscribe, make una like, share our video. Make una also drop una comment for our videos. Abeg, if una wan get us, una go get us for Procyon RTV. Make una type Procyon RTV, PROCYON. Then una put RTV. Una go get us for YouTube, Facebook. Una go also get us for TikTok. Una go get us for Instagram. Everywhere we dey we full ground get different programs wey we dey carry come and we dey drop am for social media. Abeg make una dey help us, dey like, dey share, dey subscribe, dey comment, dey do everything wey una suppose dey do for us. God go bless una. I wan say Gloria, thank you.
Thank you very much.
And then my name na Sarah Agbo. Make una dey shine like the star wey una be.